Hi everybody. Today at KD Cuts, we are going to talk about making AirTag holders. Now my design is pretty simple. This is a 2-inch square. The flap is roughly an inch wide. I put a hole in the center, 5/8. This hole can be any size you want, 5/8, half an inch. I sew the sides and I put 2 rivets in the bottom and leave the bottom with a push hole. It's a nice snug design. But what's great about this design that you'll appreciate is when the snap comes undone, I've fixed the key ring into the leather flap. This hole spacing is roughly 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. You'll notice I'm showing you 2 different key ring sizes. But the advantage to this design is if the snap ever comes undone, you're not going to lose the AirTag because the key ring is independently attached to the leather strap. It's a fail-safe design. Now, this 2 inches is a nice dimension. The 2 rivets constrain it on the bottom. I just like the way this looks. I could have stitched down here, done anything else, but it's my little contribution to the design. 2 different size key rings. So there you have it, probably the best AirTag holder out there. Hope you found this interesting. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for other interesting topics in leatherwork. Thanks. See you soon.